How to return to Canada to study as an international student 2022. Welcome back to Canada Admission Hub's channel. Today video we will talk about how to enter Canada as an international student. As of April 1st, 2022, travelers who have received 2 doses of the vaccine will not require any COVID-19 pre-entry test before entering Canada, and will not require any mandatory quarantine. If international students are selected for mandatory random testing on arrival, then they still have to take the COVID-19 molecular test. However, they do not need to quarantine while waiting for the test results. What are the requirements to enter Canada as a student? You must qualify as a fully vaccinated traveler unless you're a minor student, under the age of 18 years. You must have a valid study permit or a letter of introduction that shows you are approved for a study permit unless you don't need one. You must be attending a designated learning institution, DLI. What do you need to have at the Canadian border? You must have a valid travel document, such as a passport, a valid study permit, or a port of entry letter of introduction that shows you are approved for a study permit, a valid letter of acceptance from the DLI you're enrolled in, have letters of reference or any other documents the visa office told you to bring, have either a valid electronic travel authorization, or a visitor visa, temporary resident visa, proof that you have enough money to support yourself and any family members who come with you to Canada, proof of vaccination, have no criminal or immigration-related convictions, have valid immigration medical exam results as valid for 12 months from the day you get it. You need be in good health. Convince an immigration officer that you have ties, such as a job, home, financial assets or family, that will take you back to your home country. You will leave Canada at the end of your visit. The Border Services Officer will make a final decision on your eligibility to enter Canada when you arrive. Use ArriveCAN. Make sure you're using the newest version of ArriveCAN. If you previously submitted your information using an older version of ArriveCAN, you must download the latest version and resubmit your information. If you have a visitor visa and wish to stay after entering Canada as a student, contact Canada Admission Hub to change your tourist visa to study permit. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on notifications.